Hello everybody, thank you for joining me again in my videos. I'd like to do a video today about a camcorder I purchased from on a holiday. I've just come back from holiday abroad and beautiful weather, went to Tenerife, and I bought a lovely camcorder. It's the Silvercrest waterproof HD camcorder. I'm going to talk about it now and tell you some features on it as well. Okay, this is the camcorder I'm talking about. It's HD quality, 5 megapixel still pictures. Flip screen, brilliant quality, nice high quality screen. SIM card is actually, the actual card is full up at the moment, that's why it's saying locked. Speaker, microphone, got micro focus, long distance, built-in light. The compartments where it keeps it waterproof for your battery goes in there. SD card, comes with an SD card as well. That's a 4 GB SD card. And you got, say you can go up to 3 meters deep. What it comes with, it also comes with 2 batteries, nice and small, which is really handy. You keep one on charge whilst you're using one. Charger, HDMI lead, which you can plug straight into any TV to play back your videos. Also AV leads as well, and USB leads, again for TV use. Even comes in its own little bag as well to carry it with. Nice little box, as you can see, quite a nice compact box. And also all your program drivers to run it on the PC with it, and the instruction booklet. So let's show you some different videos I did with this camcorder in a moment. Say it's waterproof up to 3 meters deep. Some of its different features is it's say it's 1920 times 1080 full HD. Comes with its own SD card, as I would have told you that. LED light. Pretty good quality. Okay, let's show you some shots I did on holiday anyway. Yeah, good. Do it again? Yeah. Okay, go on then, under the water you go. You alright? You didn't breathe in, did you, darling?